Market update on the 17th. Here we got about an hour and a half left. So, as I suspected, well, I don't know if I said it in the video yesterday, but I suspected this earlier in the day. This is going to be another bear trap. And I think there still could be a little bit more downside, but not that much. And I went through my count and I updated it a little bit. And here's my new count. Based on the B wave never being the shortest, I've been using that and it seems to be somewhat accurate, and it really helps me count the waves a little bit better. So we have A, B, C. This B wave is longer than the A wave, so ABC move. The comes a little bit past the 1.61 fib, but that's fine. And then we have, instead of this being a B wave right here, this is actually an A wave. So we have A, B, C, and then this right here ends up being A, B, C. Overall B wave expanded flat. We measured that, comes to about the 1.23 fib, could come all the way down here. And so we have A, B, and then we get a 5-wave move for the overall B wave. If I draw my parallel line to the B wave, clone it, and put it down here at the very end of the A wave, we are right there. So I think that on this move, though, these are all ABC moves. I think that this move right here is A, B, looking for a C wave down. But it looks like to me it has not completed. This has got to be a third wave. And so if it has not completed, it's really going to depend on how far we go up. I would suspect that we go up to 407 again, hit a double top with the bounce earlier, and then I would be looking for potentially 402.40 to 401.24. And I'm not sure, maybe it'll come down quicker though and not go that far, because to hold this parallel line, it's got to be coming down here to like 403 to 404. So we might get a small fifth wave, and that will be the end of the C wave. I don't think we bottomed here yet, because if you look at the waves on a smaller time frame, it looks like A, B, we're working on a C wave right now. But, I mean, you never know. Maybe this will end up being the fifth wave right here, even though it doesn't look like one. So I would suspect that we're in A, B, C like that. So I would suspect that this will probably hit somewhere around the top of this. So 407.20 is a very good spot for it to hit. And yeah, that's pretty much what I see on SPY. I was looking at this being a 5-wave move, but if it's a 5-wave move, that makes this the B wave right here. That would be a short B wave, unless the problem with this, if I was to say this was the A wave right here, this B wave would be shorter than this, so that doesn't make sense to me. That would end up being A, this would be B, this would be C, and that would be fine. We could do a 5-wave move, but it does not make sense with the way I'm looking at it. And so I think that this is all just ABC moves. So A, B, and then just C down here. That's what I see. So we'll see what happens on Tuesday. I think today is probably just going to come up here to like 407 and maybe start a little dip going into the end of the day, ready for Tuesday. And then again, after that, I'll be looking for somewhere around 420 to 422 for the C wave. So that's SPY. QQQ is a little bit different because this comes down a little bit farther. However, I still kept the same count on this. This comes to the 1.61 fib pretty much perfectly. So again, we have A, B. It's only C right here actually though. This is a 5-wave move. And then I think we get an expanded flat right here. A, B, C. So it's kind of all over the place, but this actually works out too. It's right at the parallel line. So this wave could throw a lot of people off, I think. So on QQQ, I'm looking for this to come down here, maybe to 297. And then I would look for 8 points higher in here. I already have that marked, 321 as a target. So I'm going to leave it at that for right now. Actually, I'll go over Tesla. And I might do another video right after the market closes. But I actually want to, I bought a long position. I'm going to close out here in a second. Tesla is going higher right now. I think that I might have been wrong on Tesla. This potentially could go higher from here and end up being a first wave. And I was completely wrong. It looks like this could be an extended fifth wave potentially. I don't know. So 1, pullback 2, and then we are starting a third wave. But that would take it all the way up to a lot higher than expected. So I'm gonna have to chart this one here in a little bit. I'll go over it and see what I think, and maybe do an update after the market closes. But I'm gonna check on my long positions. I'll make a video after the market closes.